was a sight from my soul.
Today we're going magnet fishing in Condeston, but on the way we've just drove past this gibbet post in Bilstone. A gibbet post is where, when they hung somebody, they'd chain the body to this, and the person's body was chained to it for, how long was it?
17 years.
For 17 years, so by the time he was taken down, he was just bones. And they left him out here to show everybody else, if you do something wrong, this is what happens to you around these ends. So we just thought we'd stop here and give you a quick look at it. It was put up in the 1800s. So, yeah, bit of history. Gibbet post.
Or gibbet.
Oh, gibbet, who knows? RS Magnet Fishing, like and subscribe. First thing was very little, I'm not sure what it is. About a penny from 2000.
I had the same sort of thing with what's it. It looks a bit like a, I don't know, it's got a bullety end to it, but a little pellet. Top of a camp. Been down there for a bit, that has. Another 3 of these, they're like little studs. Another 3. Coming out in 3s.
So, not a lot this side of the bridge. I reckon we'll go around the other side now. Find out what the rat's doing around there. Just finding studs. Another little metal bar then. Only getting little bits here it seems. There's something big out there, but let's try and get it. Bit of an owl there. Well, there is something big out there, but it just ain't moving, so I think it's going to have to stay there. There's not much else in here, so let's move on to the next destination. Let's do this. RS Magnet Fishing.
Like and subscribe.
Here we are then, walking to the next destination. We're in Shackleton at bridge 53. So we've skipped one bridge out and we're on to the next one. There's like a turnaround point, like a basin. And let's magnet fish it then. RS Magnet Fishing.
Like and subscribe.
Let's do this.
Piece of scaffolding. Can't get the magnet off there. Probably stuff for that.
Part of an old sign. I think it's got S here, something there, but it's a bit far gone. This spot's looking better than the last one.
Mole grips. They're working.
So we've got this old square nail. And here, I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, it's a bit small, but an eye off a fishing rod. Another nail, bit bent.
Bottle cap.
Had a road sign, it's bent. Well, the frame hooked to it. Looks like it's been in there a while, doesn't it? Whoosh!
What are you dredging for?
Just metal, really.
Oh yeah.
Like with magnet fishing and
I
that.
just said, I seen it the other week, people magnet fishing. Do you get much stuff for no?
Yeah, we've had all sorts really. We've had a motorbike, a shotgun.
Have you? Is
Safes
it off
and that.
bridges, mainly round
Yeah,
bridges?
yeah. Yeah, we've had like a few safes and that as well.
Have you?
Yeah, so.
Anything in them?
Not really, no. They've all been broke into and that, but.
So what you got on there, a magnet or and a,
I've got.
you got a hook?
Yeah, it's
I've got
How strong's that magnet?
400 kilograms. Like pull.
Really?
Yeah, so
Really, no?
they are really strong. The magnet's like £40 off Amazon, that is.
Yeah. I'm trying to think where I've seen it, and they found a load of stuff from Walk-ons and stuff.
Yeah, it's been on the news and that as well.
Yes, I suppose as soon as it's on, everybody's had it.
Yeah,
How long have you
everyone
been doing it?
Since December.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, it's just interesting, like the stuff
Yeah,
you find.
that you
You
find.
never know what.
I suppose it's like,
But-
do you ever do that other thing with the bloody metal detector?
Yeah, we've got a
Have you
metal
done that?
detector and that, yeah. So,
it's just finding places to do it.
yeah.
I suppose people don't want you on the land, do they?
No. So,
Come on, let's see what you got. You don't have to pull it out while we're here in case you got some treasure, do you?
Yeah, on something.
How do you know he's got some?
Yeah, I think so. What you got?
Yeah,
What's that? Part of a bowl, isn't it? No.
Yeah, it does look like a bit of a bike, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It is like an
Yeah,
old,
the handlebars,
yeah, with the old brakes, look.
Yeah, that's old, that is.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah, that's really old, isn't it?
Yeah, the old, what's it, brakes, isn't they? Whatever you call it.
Yeah. And the old fork style as well, where the forks come out with a really thin.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool, that is, right? That's old.
Enjoy.
Yeah.
See you later. I hope you get some.
Some handlebars, some old ones.
It's like the thingy, the stem and that. And like to where the forks will go, it's the top bit of the frame.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah, see, like
Oh yeah.
the forks would come out here, the two. And then that's part of the frame there, the other bit of the frame would come out here, and these are the handlebars.
Yeah.
I don't really. That's a very old brake lever, that is. But yeah, that's cool. You like that?
What I've been after anyway.
Cheers, mate. Well, it's really starting to rain now. I don't know how long we're going to be able to stay here before. Hopefully it stops and we can get a bit more done. If it don't though, we might have to call it a day at that. How are you getting on, Rat?
Loving it. Ouch. Yeah, last time I was scared of pipe and walked down there, there was a pipe next to the edge. I was just like, no big splash. Yeah, we're going to have to come fishing a bit.
That's enough magnet fishing then. The sun has come back out, but we're going to go a walk down to Shackerson, the old train station. There's a tea room there. We're going to have a cup of tea, and it's like a museum with loads of old trains, so we're going to go and have a quick walk around there, show you some of the old trains, and yeah, that's about it. I think we'll try and get some cinematics on the way. Let's do this. RS Magnet Fishing.
Like and subscribe.
The Victorian tea room. Here's what looks like an old dock. Looks like, is it a dock or is it for fish? Unsure. What's this? Ashby Canal. The river runs straight under the canal. The canal's got a bridge over the river. It's quite interesting. Steam train, one for Jay. Just the other side of that fence. Old carriages. Red phone box. There's the old bridge. Trains.
1969.
Oh,
I mean, unless you come on a day
I'll probably
specifically when it wasn't, but
Yeah, I must have done. Come for the cake, really.
when
Come for the cake, I'd say.
yeah.
No, it's quite interesting, all this stuff. Isn't it?
Yeah. All genuine. No replicas permitted.
Yeah, it's cool.
Surprising how many gizmos were needed to run the railway.
Yeah, isn't
Now
it?
they're trying to do it all with mobile phones and heat sensors from helicopters. And,
Yeah.
I mean, that's one thing that is flying a helicopter down a route, looking for temperature differences. Yes, as long as they put the proper equipment. Because with the continuous rails, if it gets too hot,
Yeah.
it bends.
Yeah.
And if it gets too cold, it pulls the joints apart. So, it's, and all it's doing is getting rid of the clickety-click,
Yeah,
which is part of the fun of being on a road.
yeah. Not mad, aren't they?
Thanks, Eve.
All bonds. It just looks like a matchbox, doesn't it?
Oh, coins there, look.
Cigarette case made by PAWs.
Yeah, man. Cheers, mate. Well, that was Shackleton Station and Museum. I hope you liked it. It's a pretty cool place. I think that's it for today's video. I hope you've liked the video as well. I know we have. See you in the next one. RS Magnet Fishing.
Like and subscribe.
I think a fallen angel just walked by. I think a fallen angel just walked by. I think a fallen angel just walked by. I think a fallen angel just walked by.